what's new everyone? Today we're going to be unboxing the Amazon Echo Pop. On the front, it's pretty simple, just has the name, picture of it, and works with Alexa. On the right side, we got some of the features. It has Bluetooth, hands-free with Alexa, has a microphone kill switch, and further privacy controls in the app. Included in the box is the Echo Pop itself and the power adapter. And it says setup is simple and requires Wi-Fi and the Alexa app. And then it repeats it in 2 more languages. Over on the other side, it says your smart speaker with Alexa. Voice control in any room, hands-free. So, marketing. On the back, it has some examples of how to use it. On the top, it just has the Amazon logo. And on the bottom, it has all the regulatory features, or regulatory information, serial number. I started to rip it open. I did rip it open, but I decided to put that back on there so I could show you guys. So, take that off. That's trash now. And slides open. On the top, kind of has a quick setup guide, I guess. It says get the app, plug in your speaker. Well, there's actually a few more steps than that, but I'll do a video on that. In the box itself, we got the speaker right on top. It has the microphone kill switch in the center, and then the volume control buttons on either side. These 3 holes are the microphones. It has a status light. The front mesh has the speaker. There's the power adapter on the back, and on the bottom, space and the barcode. And it's just gonna set down like that. We go further into the box, it has this cardboard we'll remove. The power supply here. And a couple booklets. It has important information, whatever that is, and hello. Let's start with the hello. I'm guessing that's our setup. It's got English, Spanish, French. Has everything I just showed you. Oh, and you can tap to snooze the alarm. So tap. How to set it up. Status lights, privacy and support information, and things you can try with your Pop. And it's going to repeat in the 2 other languages. Let's take a look at this important information. I'm guessing it's regulatory information. Got the safety, you got the product specs. One thing I noticed is it only works up to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Got your warranty information, how to claim that warranty, limitations, and it's going to repeat in the 2 other languages. So that is your unboxing. If you'd like to see any other products unboxed, let me know. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see my future videos like how to set up the Pop, make sure you subscribe. And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.